In this video, we'll take a look at how to solve a system of linear equations by graphing. Let's take a look at some definitions. First, for a system of linear equations is when we have two or more linear equations. And a solution is an ordered pair of numbers that is a solution of both equations in the system. This is really important because the solution has to satisfy both of the equations, not just one. Solutions to graphs of the equations. There are three different types. One, we have exactly one solution. That happens when the lines intersect at a single point. Two, we have infinitely many solutions. That happens when the two lines are the same. So in a graph, they would lie on top of each other. Then we have no solution, which occurs when the two lines are different and parallel. Our example is y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2 and 2x plus y is equal to 3. So we'll need to graph both of these lines to find the solution. First, we need to graph y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2. So to do that, we will pick 2 points on the line. In this case, since we have a denominator of 2, if we pick values that are multiples of 2, then we can cancel out the fraction in doing our math. So let's just pick x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. When we substitute in x is equal to 2, we'll have y is equal to 1/2 times 2 minus 2. Doing the math, we'll get 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. That will give us an ordered pair of 2, -1, because we chose 2 for x, and then we found out that y was equal to -1, giving us the ordered pair 2, -1. Plugging in the point x is equal to 4, we have y is equal to 1/2 times 4 minus 2. Doing the math, we get 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, giving us an ordered pair of 4, 0. Again, we picked x for 4, which is this, and then we found out that y was equal to 0 by solving the equation, giving us an ordered pair of 4, 0. Next, we need to do the same thing for the second equation. So we'll take 2x plus y is equal to 3 and pick 2 points. So let's just pick x is equal to 0. So we'll plug in 0 for x. So that gives us 2 times 0 plus y equals to 3, leaving us with y is equal to 3. The ordered pair is 0, 3. Now let's do something a little different and pick a value for y. So let's pick y is equal to 0. Plugging that in, we get 2x plus 0 equals to 3. 2x equals to 3. Divide both sides of the equation by 2, and x is equal to 3/2, giving us an ordered pair of 3/2 and 0. Now that we have 2 points for each line, we can plot them on a graph. Remember that our points for our first equation, y is equal to 1/2 x minus 2, were 2, -1, and 4, 0. So if we plot those, we'll have the red dot here, 2, -1, and 4, 0 is the second red dot here that falls on the x-axis. Then, plotting the 2 points for 2x plus y equals 3, we had 0, 3, which is going to be this blue dot here, and then we have 3/2, 0. Remember, 3/2 is just 1.5, so we'll go halfway in between 1 and 2 and plot the point here. Now we draw our two lines and we see that we have an intersection at this red dot right here, which is 2, -1. Because 2, -1 is our intersection point, that means this is the solution to our system. We can check our work by verifying that the point 2, -1 lies on both lines. So all we do is take 2, -1 and plug it into both equations. Hope this helps.